Hey friends, if you wish to recover closed tabs in any web browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's the thing. Let us say we have a browser here, and let us say that we have multiple tabs open here. Okay, this one, and let's say this one, and let's say this one, and let's say this one. And I am closing multiple tabs, not just one, multiple tabs. See what happens. I close this one and I close this one. Now I wish to recover them. I will press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to recover the latest one. And for the next one, I will again press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Okay, so this is how it works. This is the shortcut for it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.